Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the part 3 of the Honda Accord rebuild. In today's video, we're going to set this thing up on the clamps and we're going to start pulling out the B-pillar and also that little section over there. And from what I was looking, I'm probably going to go ahead and cut the quarter panel somewhere about right here. This should be able to pop out at least halfway decent, and then my body guy will fix everything else here. But there's no point in replacing the whole quarter panel because we got to remove the glass. It's just a lot of work to replace the whole quarter panel, so we're just going to go ahead and cut it like this. Obviously we're going to pull it out. So some of you guys may be wondering why I drilled the hole here in the middle. Well, I'm gonna stick this bolt through there and this plate will be holding it in the back. That way I'll be able to pull this whole section out at once without anything getting ripped. Alright guys, so we got these blankets up there. Now I'm going to start using the belt sander and start grinding down all of the spot welds. That way we can remove the old quarter panel out. Alright guys, so the first layer of the metal is out, and as you guys can see right here, there's no damages that were unexpected. This is in perfect shape. Obviously the wheel well is a little bit crinkled up because of the damage, but it's okay. I straightened it out as much as possible. This is not going to be noticeable, so I think this is pretty much good. Obviously I'll have to test fit it and make sure it lines up perfect, but this is where we're going to replace it right here. That way my body guy has some space to put some body filler here. And moving on to the B pillar right here, as you guys can see, this metal is damaged too, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it. There's a bunch of spot welds here, and then this whole piece should be able to pop off, and I'll install the new one, weld it, and then we'll put on the skin and weld that as well. Alright guys, so this is the donor part. As you guys can see, it's in really good condition. So now me and Roman are going to start drilling everything out. That way it just goes by a little bit quicker. We're going to drill everything out, take off the first layer, and then take off this piece right here that we have to replace as well. And then we'll start mounting it on the car and start test fitting everything. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we finally took all the parts, all the good parts off the donor part, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, we went through at least 15 drill bits. I don't know what's wrong with this metal, but usually Hondas are pretty simple. All my drill bits just went bad and I bought brand new ones, and I don't know, we went through at least 15 drill bits. But now it's time to go ahead and test fit all these parts, throw the doors on, make sure all the gaps are good, and then we're gonna start welding. Alrighty guys, so the doors are installed, everything is test fitted, and as you guys can see right here, check out these gaps. It's exactly the same as the other side. And here's the rear door gap. It's probably kind of hard to see on the camera because this is black and this is white, but the gap is really good. But guys, the doors open and close perfect, both of them. Everything looks amazing, but we're gonna leave the welding to tomorrow, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Guys, if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like my videos, share them with your friends, follow me on Instagram at Rebuild with Nick, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.